Have you ever thought about why is it that a lot of songs are sung in English and other colonial languages? Although there are around 6,000 languages in the world and less than 200 countries, that means that a lot of these songs written in all the languages are dispersed around the world. As a very interesting example of that is Paraguay, where both the Spanish language and the Guarani language, which is an indigenous language, is used in music that is considered national as opposed of minority, a minority language in music. So that gives us an example of how the interaction between different languages from different cultures and different countries interact in the process of creating music.